Today, I'll be showing how to make fluffy akara. If you're having a hard time making fluffy akara, this video is for you. So stay tuned, let's get cooking. So I'll start by measuring out my beans. I'm using honey beans for this recipe. You can use white beans, you can use drum beans. So I'm going to soak this for 5 minutes and get it peeled. I'll be peeling by rubbing the beans between my palm. You can use your blender to peel this also. Just so you know, the lesser you soak the beans, the easier it is for you to get it peeled. So right now I'm done peeling and my beans is well peeled. After this, I'm just going to soak the beans for 20 to 30 minutes. This is one of the secrets to fluffy akara. You have to soak your beans. So after soaking, I'm going to blend this with my scotch bonnet pepper and some onions. You can either blend it together with the onions and pepper, or you dice the pepper and add it to the blended beans. So this is my beans after blending. So I'll go ahead to show you what the consistency look like. You don't want your beans to be watery. If you let it get watery, you just make akara pancakes and not akara balls. So I'm going to add in salt. I'm adding salt. That's the only ingredient needed for akara. You don't need to add so much ceremony to your akara. So now I'll be mixing the blended mixture with a whisker till it start bringing out bubbles like you can see here. You can use an electric mixer too. This is what will make the akara come out fluffy and soft. So now it's time to fry our akara. I'm going to add enough vegetable oil in my pan and allow it get to the right temperature. You don't want your oil to be too hot and you don't want your oil to be below temperature. So I'm using this turning stick to test my oil temperature. You can see the bubbles coming out of the stick. This is showing me that the temperature is perfect for me to drop in my akara balls. So I'm going to drop in the akara balls and allow it to fry. So I allow the akara fry till it's golden brown and I scoop it out of the oil. Jesus, can you see this beautiful yummy akara? Very fluffy. Can you see it? This is how to make your fluffy akara. I hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to drop me a comment when you do. So let me try one of the akara for you. Can you see? Very soft and fluffy on the inside. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop a comment. Please like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Till I come your way next time. Bye.